In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to set an alarm on your Apple Watch. So from your watch face, press this crown to go to your app library. In app library, you have to scroll down and find out this alarm app. Just open the alarm app. And here, scroll down and you see this plus icon. So to create a new alarm, tap on this plus icon. And then here we can see the time. So select the time, and by using this crown you can just go ahead and change the time. I'm selecting here 8, and if you want to change minute, then select the minute, and then you will be able to change the minute. I'm selecting here 8:10. Okay, now to change AM or PM, you can just select here AM or PM, and then click on create, and we can see the alarm successfully created. Now tap on the alarm, and here you can change the time. From here, tap on repeat, and from here you can just repeat the alarm and go back. You can also change the alarm level. From here you can enable or disable snooze option, and if you want you can delete the alarm from here. So that's how you can actually set an alarm on our watch.